Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Umi Quratul Atyun and right now I am 21 years old and I am 5th semester student. Being in college, I have seen a lot of education work and today I just want to share what I feel about education, the good, the bad, and why education need to restart. Okay, everyone. Islamic education. Lately, there is this new buzzword, GPA inflation, or in Indonesia we call it inflasi IPK. Inflation, term that usually pop ups in economic, is now crashing into the education world. GPA, which used to be the solid indicator with 4.0 scale that depends on 2020 rule from Indonesia Ministry of Education and Culture, has turned into something cheap, like on sale everywhere. Back then, getting a GPA of 3.0 was a struggle and feel like such a big deal. But student right now can easily get 3.5 then doesn't feel special anymore. This whole fight is happening to many campus in Indonesia, including Islamic campus. As a student who study in Islamic campus, I can feel it myself that whole learning orientation is just about GPA, just about career, just about money. No value, no understanding more, feels so materialistic. Even an Islamic campus, students do whatever it takes just to chase the higher grade. Some like cheating when they exam or pay to other people to do their study. Even an Islamic campus, many lecturers don't really give much an Islamic character input to their student. They mostly just talk about GPA, career, money, and worldly matters. Honestly, students today are trained by number, trained by money. Their mind are stuck inside block, or we call it mental block. Islamic education is no longer living up to its own value. Islamic education is colonized. This is far from what Islamic education meant to be. Today feel more like a factory that produces the robotic human. People who move without soul, without humanity. Islamic education has changed into a machine that creating graduate who look smart on paper but empty inside, in self by worldly desire. We all know that Islam never taught us to make this world to the finish line. But when education is just praising the money, just praising for career or world desire, no surprise if there is someone with a degree can also turn into a criminal. Because this is what happened when education is secular. This education is not at likeness. This education is chain. And honestly, then exactly this is what education secular look like. Secular mean putting religion inside book only for prayer, not for education, government, and daily life. And sadly, doesn't we feel this happening? That's how distant Islam has become. People who push an Islamic value end up being called with a bad word like radical. Islam, with its education system, has proven itself by 6 centuries. History shows us when Islam was in chains, it raised faithful scholars who changed the world, who changed history like Fatimah Al-Fihri, Ibnu Sina, Ibnu Rus, Al-Khwarizmi, and others. Islam always had one core creed to their education. What? To build iman and taqwa. In Islam, learning more means believing more. Okay, everyone. Now it's our time to pay to the right way, to Islam way. And what can we do to be paid to Islam way? First, we must change the way we think that true education is not for chasing money, is not for chasing world, but education is for growing our iman and taqwa. Second, we must ask again, what is Islam and how education in Islam really be? Allah said in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu udkhulu fis silmi kaffah wa la tattabi'u khutuwati syaitan innahu lakum aduwwun mubin. Al-ayat. Hopefully, this competition can be the way that my voice will be heard, that Islamic education needs to go back to its soul. May Allah guide us all to bring back the like way Islamic education. That's all from me, Umi Quratul Ayun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.